Welcome once more. Welcome to our lesson today. Remember, my name is Aquinas Maheti. Welcome. Today's our topic is all about basic networking. I want to teach you about basic networking. Remember to subscribe as you enjoy the lesson of today. So today I've drawn my structure here. I want to show you the basic of networking. So far, here's a structure. LAN stands for local area network, and WAN is world area network. So inside the local area network, we have what we call an IP address. We shall have to know what is an IP or the function of IP address. We have a switch, a subnet, and in one we have firewall, DMZ, port forward, and NAT. Now, I want to take a shortest time because of the to pass through this way, then you have to understand it. Now, for one area network, I've done a structure of a school. This is what we call a school. This is a school. Now that one is a school. So in the local area network, it's just like a home. Now this is likely to be our home. Then this one is a school. Then you have to see what it entails from the network, from the local area network to larger area network. So far, we have to talk about LAN. I've told you LAN is local area network, and inside LAN we have what we call an IP. An IP is an address of an occurrence of a device. It's an address of an logical address of a device. The device. I mean not the address. The device. So the device, it has an IP. Like this one may have an IP like 201 202.1.1. That one is might be an IP of this one, or this one might also have an IP of 203, 203, then 01 is an IP of this one. Is just an identification. We can call it an identification. The same way the school, a student must have a roll number. Then here is also we can refer that roll number of a student to be an IP here in our devices or in our networking. So the roll number that we use in schools is what we call an IP when it comes to networking. Now, wait and see. This one, at home, we might have our network here. Then we have a printer, we have a laptop, we have the desktop. This one has a small range. So we have this switch. The switch is to connect all these ones with our network. First, let's show you. Maybe this is a student, this is a school. This student want to go. This is class 1, class 2, class 3. Now, a pupil from class 1 may want to go to see a pupil in class 2 or class 3. The pupil from class 1 must have to ask permission from here, the class prefect or the teacher here. Now the teacher here is what we call the peon. It's called the peon. The peon. It has to send the notification to the person who wants to receive the information, or the device that wants to receive the information. Now here, any pupil from grade 1 wants to go to class 2 or to see a person in class 3 must pass through the peon to send the notification. And we have what we call a subnet. A pupil from class 1 wants to go to see a person who is away, like outside the school. The pupil from grade 1 want to go to see the person who is outside the school. Maybe you want to go and see somebody here. Maybe you are having a person here, and a pupil from grade 1 wants to see the person from here. School, outside the school. Now, what will he do? He must pass through the gate. Now, this is the gate. Now, our gate here, we must pass through the watchman or the soldier at the gate so that he can go and see the person. Now, in our device here, if information has to be moved from this device inside here, it must pass through the router. This is what we call the router. Now, our soldier here is the router. Router is our soldier here. Now, this one must send a notification you must pass through the router for you to access the internet outside. If you want to send the internet outside, you must go through the router to access the devices outside the school or the logical. Now, how will you tell? The question might be, how will you tell the person is inside the school or away from the school? That's a question to ask yourself. If you have to understand the person is inside the school or outside the school, you must use what you call a subnet. What we call subnet. Subnet. The role of a subnet is to give the range between the devices for the information. You may fail to understand the difference between an IP and a subnet. A subnet will identify the range between the devices. A subnet will help us to identify the range between the devices. So today I wanted to show you the function of the switch, IP, and a subnet. Kindly let's subscribe. Tomorrow when we meet, we shall talk about wide area network. Thank you.